secret way of playing the YouTube video in the background, and this is what I'm going to show you in this video. So the method is simple, but there are 2 or 3 actions that you need to do. First, go to the settings. In the settings, search for apps. In the apps, scroll down and look for YouTube, which would be of course at the end. Click on that. Click on set as default app, and here you will see that open supported links are on. Toggle this switch to off. Now open your favorite browser, search for YouTube, open the YouTube, then click on these 3 vertical dots and select desktop site. Now it will make your YouTube look like as if you are playing it on the desktop. Okay, now we are going to click on any video.
So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
We exit out the browser, the video will pause. Now you need to scroll down your notification area. Here you will see the video. Click the play button.
Many odd system would have been generated.
Now you can
but
see
in this
that
case, you've already
our
received the
YouTube
reward.
is
So even
playing
after
in the background.
writing
So that's it. Thanks for watching.